Crypto can feel confusing, risky, and full of technical words. But the truth is, it's actually very simple when you understand the basics. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what cryptocurrency really is, how it works, why people invest in it, and what beginners must know before buying anything. Welcome to Smart Finance Mentor, where we simplify money, investing, and financial growth for complete beginners. If you want to learn smart ways to earn, save, and invest your money, make sure you subscribe because videos like this can change your financial future. Let's start with the most basic question. What is crypto? Cryptocurrency is simply digital money. It's like the cash in your bank account, but it's not controlled by any bank or government. Instead, crypto runs on something called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can secretly edit. Every transaction is recorded publicly, permanently, and securely. This makes crypto transparent and extremely difficult to fake, hack, or manipulate. Now, how does it work? When you send crypto to someone, the blockchain confirms the transaction using thousands of computers around the world. These computers agree on what is true. This process removes banks, middlemen, and unnecessary fees. You become your own bank. This is why many people believe crypto is the future of money. But not all crypto is the same. The most famous one, Bitcoin, is like digital gold. It's limited, it's secure, and many investors use it as a long-term store of value. Then there's Ethereum, which is more like a digital platform. Developers use Ethereum to build apps, games, smart contracts, and even NFTs. After these, thousands of other coins exist, but most of them are risky and meant for short-term speculation. So why do people invest in crypto? There are three main reasons. First, the potential for high returns. Crypto prices can grow extremely fast. Second, decentralization. Your money isn't controlled by any bank or government. And third, the technology itself. Blockchain could revolutionize industries like finance, health, supply chain, gaming, and more. But with all of this potential also comes a lot of risk. That brings us to the most important part: how beginners should approach crypto. The biggest mistake new investors make is buying random coins because of hype, TikTok influencers, or get-rich-quick dreams. Crypto is extremely volatile. Prices can rise in days and crash in minutes. The smart way is simple. Focus on strong, proven projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and always store your crypto safely. If you keep coins on an exchange, they can be hacked or frozen. The safest way is a personal wallet where you control the keys. Another smart strategy is dollar-cost averaging, investing small amounts regularly instead of trying to time the market. This reduces stress and helps you build long-term positions without gambling. And remember, don't let greed control your decisions. In crypto, emotional investors lose money fast. Educated investors grow wealth slowly and safely. So here's the truth. Crypto isn't magic, and it isn't a scam. It's simply a new form of money built on powerful technology. If you understand the basics, take your time and invest wisely. It can be a valuable part of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor, like this video, and comment Crypto Guide if you want a full beginner course on crypto, wallets, exchanges, and safe investing. Your journey to smarter money decisions starts today.